Well, for the first time in weeks, the percent of people testing positive for coronavirus in Maryland is back above 5%. More than 1,000 people are in the hospital. And the state's acting health secretary says young people are driving the surge. WJZ is live. Avajoy Burnett telling us how one lawmaker is asking if the state can reimpose some restrictions. Avajoy.
Hi, Nicole. Good afternoon to you. Well, remember last year when the coronavirus just came about and the World Health Organization was using the 5% positivity rate as a benchmark to figure out if things would stay open or closed? Well, that's the number one lawmaker had in mind when he heard that young people are fueling this new surge.
For the first time in a month and a half, Maryland's positivity rate has climbed back above 5%. The acting health secretary revealed young people are fueling this gradual increase.
It's probably natural that younger folks are, as we've opened up, are more likely to be out and about and getting sick.
2 weeks ago, Governor Larry Hogan lifted capacity restrictions on bars, restaurants, religious and fitness facilities, but masks are still mandatory and social distancing is still in. Now that the positivity rate is back above 5%, one senator asked the acting health secretary if this new high would trigger another round of restrictions.
We don't want to overreact. We're monitoring very carefully, but it's generally been the younger population that's been getting sick.
That's true, but the younger population we've seen also ends up infecting the older population, and that's where most of the deaths have been occurring.
The governor said for the first time ever, more than 50,000 doses were administered in a single day, and that was on Monday. And the state believes that trend will continue as more people become eligible to get a shot. Today, Phase 2B opens up, and that includes anyone 16 and older with a disability.
Most people are going to get the vaccine if they can. So it's a good show all around. Eventually, we will achieve what? Herd immunity.
And as of right now, the state has administered more than 2.5 million doses of a COVID-19 vaccine, but we still have a very long way to go. That is less than 20% of Maryland's population. Live at 4, Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.
Avajoy, thank you. Pfizer and BioNTech, they are ramping up production, vowing to make 2.5 billion doses of their COVID-19 vaccine by the end of this year. Now, according to the CDC, more than 95 million Americans have had at least one dose, and more than 52 million are fully vaccinated.